Hey there, and welcome to another helpful video. If you're getting too many notifications from Google Drive or not getting us any at all, don't worry. We've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn notifications on or off in the Google Drive mobile app, step by step. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Next, look at the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, look for the option labeled Notifications and tap on it. Now, to turn a notification off, simply toggle the switch to the left. To turn it on, toggle it to the right. Finally, once you've made your changes, you can exit the menu. Your new settings will be saved automatically. And that's it. Managing your Google Drive notifications is quick and simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.